Tennis elbow, also called as lateral epicondylitis, can be a very painful condition and impacts your quality of life drastically. Most commonly, it happens due to overuse of forearm muscle, which leads to pain in the outer area of your elbow, which can be due to inflammation, tear, and also due to degeneration and lots of other sport activities, which includes repetitive arm movements or elbow or wrist movements. Latest evidence-based research has shown lack of thoracic mobility is one of the major factors leading to tennis elbow. Imagine you swinging a racket. Now this movement involves shoulder abduction, then it requires elbow extension and most important thoracic rotation. Now due to lack of mobility in thoracic area, entire stress is transferred to your elbow. Let me show you 3 tests that you can perform on your own to assess if you have tennis elbow. First is palpitation test. For palpitation test, you have to flex your arm in this position, find a bump on the outer side of your elbow and press it using your thumb. If you experience pain while pressing, that's a positive sign. Next is grip and lift test. Now find a 1 kg dumbbell or a filled water bottle. Hold on to any one end of the water bottle or dumbbell and extend your arm in 90-degree position. Keep your elbow in extended position, palm facing down. Start flexing your wrist and extend your wrist. While flexing and extending, if you feel a sharp pain on the outer edge of your elbow which is facing up at present, it is a positive sign that you may have tennis elbow. Third is stretch test. Place your palm in 90-degree position, elbow in extended position, palm facing down. Now grab on to 3 middle finger and gently pull it down. While pulling your fingers down, if you experience pain on the outer end of your elbow which is facing towards the ceiling right now, it's a positive sign that you may have tennis elbow. If you felt pain during any of these tests, let me show you some of the best exercises and stretches which are widely recommended to help with tennis elbow. Focused on strengthening muscles, tendons, improving capacity, tolerance and enhancing repair process. Let's start with a warm-up exercise. Wrist flexion and extension. Place your arm in 90-degree position, elbow extended, palm facing down. Now make a fist and flex your wrist, extend it. Perform this exercise for 20 to 30 repetitions. Moving on to wrist extension stretch. Place your arm in 90-degree position, elbow extended, palm facing down. Now flex your palm and apply pressure on top of the palm using your opposing hand to push inward and hold this position for 30 seconds. Take a break of 20 seconds and repeat it 2 more times. Next is supinator strengthening exercise. Grab onto a dumbbell with an affected arm, palm facing down. Flex your elbow and bring it in 90-degree position, keeping your elbow close to the body. Now maintaining this position of your arm, slowly rotate the dumbbell outward and then slowly bring it back to the starting position. Perform this exercise 10 to 15 repetition, 2 to 3 set. If you find it difficult to perform this exercise by holding the dumbbell, take support from the free arm and then perform the same movement. To increase the resistance, grab onto any one end of the dumbbell and perform the same movement by rotating the dumbbell outward and slowly bring it back to the starting position. Next is open book thoracic mobility. Lie down on your side. Keep your knees bent. Make sure your knee and hip remain in one line. Place your arm in line with the shoulder, palm facing each other. Now maintaining this position of your body, slowly rotate your spine by taking your top arm on the other side. Make sure your knees remain together and your bottom arm remain in contact with the ground. Repeat this movement for 15 to 20 repetitions, 2 to 3 sets. Next is prone T scapular stabilization. Lie down on your abdomen, placing your arm in line with your shoulder palm facing down. Now maintaining this position of your body, slowly lift your arm off the floor by retracting your shoulder in your comfort zone. Hold this position for a second and then slowly bring your arm back to the starting position. Perform this movement 10 to 12 repetitions, 2 to 3 sets. If this movement causes any irritation or discomfort, try it with a different grip. Form a fist, point your thumb towards the ceiling and then slowly lift your arm off the floor in your comfort zone and bring it back to the starting position. Next is side lying dumbbell external rotation. Lie down on your side. Keep your elbows bent in 90-degree position and hold the dumbbell and slowly rotate your arm externally. Make sure your elbow remain in contact with your body. If you find it very difficult, place a towel under your elbow to provide support. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions, 2 to 3 sets. Every exercise plays a crucial role in rehabilitating your elbows back to normal. Make sure it should be done 3 to 4 days a week for a minimum period of 2 months. Feeling sore is very normal for few days, but don't worry, eventually once your body adapts, soreness will subside. I hope this video helps you with your elbow pain. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. All the source of information credits are in description. This is Coach Swati. Thank you for watching.